Hi everyone, today I am sharing Kiara's 9th birthday celebrations. She loves unicorn and I created some DIY projects in her favorite colors. To keep it economical and sustainable, most of the things are handmade by me and others are reusable for next birthday. Keep on watching till the end of the video and let me know what you think about the whole day. If you like watching my sustainable lifestyle, subscribe to my channel. Yes, that's your birthday gift. How old are you? 9 years old.
And a shocking news. I'm older than my friend.
Yeah.
She was never older than me, or we were the same.
It's just 1 month difference. That's all right. Okay. Happy birthday.
Thank you. What do you say? E. Yeah. Oh, live it. A long time ago in Mathura, there was a king named Kans who was infamous for his greed and unfair love. Yes,
Mute could say.
Very happy with Kiara. Thank you, ma'am.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yes, happy birthday, Kiara. You can switch off your camera. May all your wishes be fulfilled today.
We always prefer buying clothes for Kiara's birthday directly in the shop, but because of this COVID situation, for the first time we ordered some clothes from Amazon. Let us just open it and show you guys. Oreo is also excited to see.
I should have started. Hey, Oreo.
Hachi, ikkada kida.
Okay.
Leave it. Open it. Oreo, leave it. Good boy. Oreo is very excited about these things. Okay.
How's the dress?
Open it.
This one is my favorite. I love it.
You love it already?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, open it and show. This side is the top. This is the
Do you like it, Oreo?
This is the top like this, and it has a palazzo pant.
Ooh, I love them.
You like them?
Yeah.
Let's
Do
try.
you like them?
Let's try them on.
Okie dokie.
But do you like it or?
I love it.
Okay, great.
And it's my favorite color. It's not so dark at all. It's nice.
Yeah. Kiki, what do you think about the dress?
I love it.
In the picture, it was a little dark, right?
Yeah, but this is the perfect color. Actually, I like it.
Oreo is busy with the wrappers at the back, but I'm going to leave him for a while because
Let him enjoy the wrapper.
nice. This dress looks really nice.
And he's like, what's going on? Can I see? Can I see?
Okay, we'll wear this for the evening celebrations. Okay.
Woo-hoo!
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Oreo liked my dress because it wanted to bite it on me.
అది చూస్తుంది లేచి.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I made a greeting card for you.
Show it, Kriti. Show it. Wow.
Surprise. Bye.
It's time for some DIY projects. You can also try these crafts at home for your kids along with them. It'll be so much fun.
This is the best birthday. Alright, ready.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Pilla! Super నువ్వు.
Don't worry.
కమ్ ఇన్. దాన్ని తలిపేసేయాలి కికి. హాయ్ చెప్పు. Oh, Kshiti, it won't do anything. It's just smelling. It won't do anything. సరే. Oreo, come here. Close చేసి. Right, right. చూడు. Like it? Hi. Hi, auntie. Auntie. Hi, Arre. Nakilu. అవును, అందరు కొత్త. Ishi.
Hi for
ஒரு office. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
happy birthday.
Okay, nice. Look here. Here. Okay, poses. Give pose. Ooh, nice.
Show your tails.
So that's how we enjoyed her birthday. She liked her dress, she liked her decorations, she liked her cake, everything. We invited our my cousin sister and Krishna's best friend who live just 2-3 streets away. So we invited them. Other than that, Kiara's best friend
My best
Shiti
friend.
came. Yeah, that's it. Being a lockdown and COVID situation, we didn't want it to do much bigger than this.
Like going to some restaurant and doing like McDonald's, they kept birthday party.
We didn't do all those things, but we had our
A
fun.
simple birthday like every day.
And you got your puppy as a gift.
From my parents.
Yes, so that's the best part for her birthday.
Yeah, so cute.
Yeah, and the sad part is puppy was very scared
Yeah.
seeing all the people. It's just 2 months old and he just knows only 3 of us. Other people are new to him, so he was a little scared and
And
hungry,
at the-
sleepy.
At the end, my mother's cousins were there. So Oreo was a bit nice. with them,
Comfortable. Yeah.
But it was a bit scared.
There.
Oreo came. Oreo! Yay, he's here!
No. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Wish her happy birthday in the comment section and let us know how you like Oreo. Until my next video,
Bye.
bye.